The whiteboard, located under Utilities, is a simple and easy way to share information company-wide through CTMOne. To view or post messages to the whiteboard, start by clicking on Whiteboard under Utilities. Each day you'll receive an email with any new messages, new listings, price changes, or status changes company-wide. Messages are posted each day at 11:30 p.m. Mountain Standard Time. You can also view the whiteboard at any time by clicking on View Today's Posted Messages at the top of the page. Let's create our own message by clicking on Post New Message. A great feature to the whiteboard allows you to compose a new message for the whiteboard in advance of the actual date. You can select today's date or a date in the future. You'll then type your subject or title of your message into this box. Then type the body of your message. You can also attach up to a 2 MB file to your message by clicking this box. You can use this to attach a flyer, pictures, or anything else you want to go along with your message. Simply choose the file from your computer and hit Upload Doc. You'll then see your message in your Whiteboard Messages section by title and date to be sent. If you want to edit a message, you can click on the message title and then make your changes. To delete an attachment, click here. And to delete the message, click here. Last, save any changes that you've made. The whiteboard is a great way to network and communicate with all of the agents within your company in only a few simple steps. And you'll also have the benefit of up-to-date information on all of your company's listings.